We'll fry up some bacon and give me 2 eggs sunny side up. It's a Massey Ferguson T20. What a classic you got there, Billy. The Ferguson T20 is an agricultural tractor designed by Harry Ferguson, by far his most successful design. It was manufactured from 1946 until 1956, and it marked a major advance in tractor design, distinguished by lightweight, small size, maneuverability, and versatility. The T20 popularized Harry Ferguson's invention of the hydraulic 3-point hitch system around the world, and the system quickly became an international standard for tractors of all makes and sizes that has remained to this day. The T20 was the first tractor to be affordable to the average farmer and was small and light enough to replace the draft horse and manual labor. The T20 had 28 horsepower. Many T20s remain in regular use in farming and other work today, and the model is also a popular collector's item for enthusiasts.